Every summer, catastrophic wildfires consume millions of acres of forest, destroy entire communities, and cost billions of dollars in damage. Traditional firefighting relies on human spotters and delayed satellite imagery, but by the time smoke is spotted from a lookout tower, the blaze is often already out of control. Today, a high-tech revolution is transforming emergency response: autonomous AI drone swarms. Section 1, the first 60 seconds, why speed is everything. In wildfire management, the first minute determines whether a spark becomes a minor flare-up or a multi-thousand-acre disaster. Traditional satellite passes happen every few hours, and human patrols cannot monitor millions of acres 24/7. Autonomous drone swarms solve this critical delay by continuously hovering over high-risk forest corridors. Section 2, Swarm Intelligence and Infrared Thermal Mapping. Equipped with dual thermal optical cameras and edge AI chips, these drones operate in coordinated swarms without human control. When one drone detects an unexpected heat anomaly or CO2 spike, it alerts neighboring drones to converge on the target. Within 60 seconds, the swarm maps the fire perimeter, measures wind speed, and streams real-time infrared telemetry directly to command centers. Section 3, Guiding Aerial Water Bombers with Pinpoint Precision. Heavy firefighting aircraft and water bombers face extreme danger flying through dense smoke and turbulent heat columns. By flying directly inside the smoke cloud, AI drones act as forward scouts for pilots, painting precise thermal targets for retardant drops and reducing water waste by over 40%. Section 4, Firefighting Drones of the Future. Beyond early detection, specialized heavy-lift firefighting drones are now being deployed equipped with thermite fire suppression balls and localized retardant cannons. These autonomous machines enter intense heat zones that are too dangerous for human firefighters, extinguishing spot fires before they jump containment lines. As global temperatures continue to rise, autonomous drone swarms represent our best line of defense against catastrophic wildfires. The future of disaster response isn't just faster, it's autonomous. Subscribe to Tech Universe for more deep dives into the technologies saving our planet.